You're here, you're going to explain to us what we're doing on this vehicle today?
Please don't put this on YouTube.
That is going on YouTube. That's going on YouTube. A different blue. Santorini blue, actually. No, it's a Miami blue. It'll be different.
Yeah, but this one's nice. This one's nice, but it's gonna be different.
Do you mind being filmed?
I don't care. This one's sharp, but the thing is, the left one, yeah.
Hey guys, what's going on? This is Josh here at Top Wrap. I'm gonna give you a little update on what we have going on in the shop today. We have this beautiful Lamborghini Huracan Performante that's getting wrapped in, you probably will never guess it, Miami blue. So we're going from blue to blue. It's a different shade of blue, it's gonna look wicked. We pointed out to the client that he has lots of gloss black accents, some carbon pieces. His mirrors are gloss black as well, and we told him we should really protect those areas just because they're high impact areas, so we should probably do a PPF on those. That way we can prevent any rock chips, any potential scratching from getting in and out of the car, and just, it'll overall give a better finish to the whole project. So just right next to the Lamborghini, we got this nice, beautiful 911 Carrera S with a GT3 front end. Believe it or not, it's 2006, in really, really good condition, like almost mint. We're doing a front end PPF with some little extras here and there, a windshield protection kit. We're doing the mirrors, door cups, then we're doing a full polish and ceramic coating on that. This NX behind us is getting a full paint correction and ceramic coating as well. Tesla here is getting tint. This one's getting rocker kit plus a hitch install. So stay tuned for some updates on the Lamborghini Huracan. The teams right now just finished prepping the car, finished measuring the material, and they're getting it ready to be wrapped.